In this video I'm going to show you how to change the server icon on Discord. So what you need to do is open your Discord server and then navigate to the little arrow right beside of your server name. Click on the arrow, go to server settings, then go to the server profile, the first one, and scroll a little bit down. Here you will find the icon option. Now as you can see, we can change the server icon by clicking on it. After that you can select your preferred icon. Let's say we would like to change it into this one. Then change the icon. Click on apply. You can adjust the width and the height of this to your preferred design. Now apply it, and after that you have successfully changed the icon. Now then don't forget to save changes to save the icon which you have changed. You have also a second option. You can click on the icon, on the little pencil icon, and then you can select the preferred icon. Now let's say we would like to change it. Select it, again make it bigger or smaller, then apply it, and after that you have successfully changed the icon again. Now save your changes, and now you have successfully changed the icon of your server. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye!